All right, guys. I don't know about you, but I've recorded this way too many times. This is my Heroku app. I was able to do deployment. So psyched about it. Um, Home button, uh, the always popular home button, 16 card memory is the game that I chose to do. It's mostly a front end project. I themed it. It's got Angular, React, Vue, Selenium, SQL, Python, Pern Stack, MongoDB, React, just a lot of stuff that we've heard about or maybe we've done a little bit with. Um, just stuff I have my mind on, I guess, right now. Makes sense, right? Once they're all matched, if you click, they have no functionality because the event listener for the click is removed. If I hit the home button here, it refreshes. Everything is in a different spot. They're all. Wait, did that work? Okay, there we go. So it randomizes all the cards. Basically, on click, a card is flipped. Once two cards are flipped, you can no longer click a third card. If you do, it doesn't do anything. If the cards are the same, then they stay flipped as you saw on the board. If not, then they flip back. Um, so I guess I should show you actually two cards that are the same. If I can find a couple cards that are the same, there we go. If I go here, type in like anything, hit enter, click subscribe, whatever. That time I hit enter, then it sends this information to the back end, stores it, gives it a unique ID, and then um, it returns it so I can see, okay, yeah, that's the correct web address. If I click this button, it's a plugin from LinkedIn. I use their dev tools. Almost all these big companies have resources for devs, and I basically just copy pasted my LinkedIn profile link, and that allowed me to just I dropped the code in. Then once I come over here, hold on, I want to be on Scripts.js. So this is where I'm rendering the email here. This is my shuffle function. It's invoked with these parentheses right away. That way the board's shuffled. I have to reset the board. Otherwise, I'm not going to get a mix of cards. The cards are disabled once they're a match. The ternary operator is run, checks for a match. If they are, disables the cards. If they're not, then it unflips them. When I flip a card, then it adds the class list, which the flip allows you to see the other side of the card, and it also assigns that to the first card, and then you have to assign the second card and check for the match. Here I used event target parent node to access the email input value. You can also use document.querySelector, but this is really cool. Thank you, Michael. Go to index.js over here. Middleware was really interesting. We've used this for file paths such as .html, .js, and .css. But how about for folders? Well, if you use it with a folder path, you can actually create an endpoint and a folder path that match, and it will render your images if you have like an image folder or whatever it is you need to host. So that's my project. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and catch you next time.